Mastercam 2020 includes a number of enhancements to Solid's functionality. Prior to Mastercam 2020, Boolean did not support pre-selection of any solid bodies. If the target and tool bodies were selected before the panel was opened, the Boolean function would launch in an error state. Starting in Mastercam 2020, Boolean now recognizes if you have pre-selected the target or not. If you have not pre-selected the target solid, you are prompted to select one when you start the function. Additionally, Boolean now supports the selection of multiple tool bodies. This is helpful if you're extruding multiple bodies, such as letters or numbers for a sign. You can select multiple bodies in the graphics window or in the Solids Manager by holding Shift and clicking to select a range of solids, or holding Control and clicking to select specific solids. When selecting solids in the Solids Manager, you must select the solid body at the top level and not a solid operation that's part of a solid body.